Surya SE456 milestone. So this is the output of the milestone. So here, as you can see, the sprites are moving with the animation and with the collider boxes. So the singleton in sprite box manager, the singleton, in create function we created the singleton in sprite manager, in the sprite manager box. So we call the create function reference. So if we do not call this function, the create function, the singleton won't work in the load content. Next one is factor. The factor was in the game program. So yeah, here is a factor, whereas it's the alien. We create the alien sprites using this alien factor. So the alien factor helps to get the sprites from the files using their names. So this is the alien factor. So these are the names of the sprites, the factor which helps to get the sprites according to their names. Next one is object pooling. It's in the image manager. Yeah, it we add the images and we remove the images. The images will be continuously the animation of the image is continuously being flipped by using the object pooling. It's in the base add function. So it's now yeah. So object pooling does happen here in this function. And next one is the priority queue. The priority queue is where we maintain the priority events. It's basically the priority queue runs in a proper priority manner, so it gives the priority to the fun. Yes, here the priority queue works. It arranges the priority order. And then the next one is proxy. The proxy was like a sprite renderer. Yeah, it proxies it proxies the game sprites. For the animation, it helps for the proxy manager helps for the animation. So in the renderer, the sprite they will update the sprites and they will render the sprites. For it helps to swap the animation. And the next one was the command. So the command is it helps to move the alien sprites from that end to this end. So we use command move according to the animation flip and the time delay we give. And the next one was iterator. Iterator is it helps to draw the sprites. Yeah. Yes, in iterator it helps to walk through the line in a line. And iterator helps to move what was the next step, what was the previous step. It has, if the first step is done, then it shows done, go to the next step. So iterator helps to move the function forward. Next one was template. The template, we use the template for the grid management. It manages the aliens in a template form. Yeah, as seen in this. The base nodes were added in the template according to the priority. Next one was the composite. Composite is whereas nothing but we align the aliens in a proper grid face by giving the spacing, and they move at the same time, animate at the same time. This alien grid creates the grid for the aliens according to the spacing between them. The next one was null object. So for this one, compose. For this one, we assign the function the null object here, so where we don't get any null references. For the empty space, we give for the empty spaces. Next one was an adapter. Adapter was the interaction manager. Yeah, here is the adapter class, which is connected to the S-link iterator. The next one was labeling all news. It's on the time manual. So we label the thing. We label the small sprites which were used for the short, which were like used for the short term. So we use some objects to name them short. For the reuse purpose. The object pooling, prove it works. So compiler, yeah, these are the aliens that that have been changing. The sprites have been changing continuously. These are the movement time, and these are the alien column, which aliens were there. So these all are the sprite batches. So next one was sprite batch. Show priority. So the priority of the sprites were given sprite. So we gave the it So images, the sprites were like given according to the priority. They will be assigned